Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to regain access to your Robinhood trading account. Whether you forgot your password or your account is temporarily locked, these steps will help you get back in safely and quickly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or website. Go to the official Robinhood app or robinhood.com and click Login. Always make sure you're on the legitimate platform to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot Password and enter your registered email address. Follow the instructions sent by Robinhood to create a new password. Step 3. Verify your identity. Robinhood may ask you to confirm your identity. This can include entering a verification code sent to your email or phone, providing a photo ID if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete verification. Step 4. Contact Robinhood support if needed. If your account is still inaccessible, go to the Robinhood Help Center and submit a support request. Include your email and any relevant account details to speed up the recovery process. For more helpful tutorials and trading tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.